Welcome back to the Blitz. Our college correspondents from Darton State were out at Lee County High School tonight, so now we take a look at the scene under the lights in Leesburg.
Hi, I'm your campus correspondent, Casey Sanders. Tonight we're at Trojan Field for the Lee County Morrow game, and here are some sights and sounds from tonight's game. That's it from Trojan Field. Now back to the studio with Pat and John.
I'll tell you what, they're getting better and better at that every week, it seems.
Yeah, I know, and you know, that looked like a fun game.
Absolutely. You were out at that game, though.
For a little bit. I wish I could have sat there relaxed, but hey, you can't have it all.
That's right.